So I'm gonna take off the solder. As you can see, it's a bit too small to take off. Well, let's try this side here. So it's too small. What you do is you just add more solder. Like so. Like so. I'm your sucker. Give it a chance to stick on. Okay. Now it's mostly gone, so you should be able to take it off. Let's see. Yeah. There we go. And is out. Propping the hose requires you to clean them up a bit, so I'm going to try to remove the remaining amount of solder. Should use a soda wick actually. Let's see if I can get the remaining amount of solder out. It's not too bad. Clean it up a bit. Where's the capacitor? Okay. Using the same capacitor. Clean it up. There's some alcohol. Get some paste. Dip the legs in. So nice and juicy. And I need an applicator. I'll take a bit of screwdriver. Just a bit. Okay. Line up the thing like so. Heat up the other end. I'll just apply just a little bit of solder. Same as here. Jones. So what you see here might be a cold solder joint. In other words, that the solder has not made sufficient contact with the pad at the bottom, and it might not be joined together. So just to be sure, I can get my solder work. Put some paste on it. See if I can suck up the excess solder just to be sure. Is it forming a pyramid or what? Okay. This one is okay. This one's a bit iffy still. So maybe too much solder here, but I think it looks good. Let's see if I can bring it as close as I can. That's alright. That's the best I can do. So, yeah. I just tip it up and get my small torch wherever the hell that's disappeared to. There we go. Let's see if we can bring it closer. So as you can see, this guy's got a little bit too much solder on it, which makes it difficult to tell if you got a good solder joint or you got a cold solder joint, but I think it's pretty good. This code is really annoying me. But as you can see, that's how I do my soldering. I'm not a solder master, I'm really amateurish, but that's basically how I solder my stuff. ig33ku signing off.